Yes, people, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Range Media. And today I'm here to give you a tutorial on how to fly your Marvic Air 2 live. How to fly your drone live, how to fly it live whilst you're flying. You'll be having it live on YouTube. So I'm going to take you through the process. It's quite simple and it's quite very nice, depending on the kind of internet that you have. So, okay. All right, so this is how it is. DJI decided to update the DJI Fly software. And so when they updated it, there were some features that they added it, but my main focus is on how to fly live on the internet, or how to bring a live feed into your production. So what I did was to go into the software, find out how it's done, and it was quite simple. First of all, my first time trying to find my ways around it was a bit difficult because I didn't know what was really up. I tried updating or using the updated version on my phone, which wasn't really working. So what I did was that I went to the DJI platform, DJI, their official website, to download it. So I downloaded the updated version and then I copied it onto my phone. You understand? I tried installing it directly from the website. It didn't work. So if you've been trying to install it direct from the website and it's not working and you are an Android user, you can download it on your phone, or you can download it on your laptop or your computer. Yes, not phone, because I tried the phone, it wasn't working. You can download it on your laptop or your computer. Then you connect your USB cable to your mobile phone, then you try and copy it. So what you would have to do is that after copying the software, you would love to install it. Yes, please copy it from the computer to your phone, then install it directly from your phone. After doing this, you will launch the app, and then once you launch the app, when you go to the menu side where we have transmission, where we have transmission, when you go to the menu where we have transmission, there's an updated button called live stream platforms. So when you go to the live stream platforms, we have RTMP. I was expecting that they were going to add YouTube Direct, Facebook Direct, and other important platforms that we would love to stream on. Then when you click on it, you'll be asked to put in your RTMP address. So what you have to do is that make sure that you have good internet. So what I did was that I started, let me take it from the scratch. What you can do is that you go to YouTube where you would love to stream and do all that you would want to do. You go to your go live button. Forgive me if my computer is a bit slower. So when you go there, what you do is that you copy your live stream key, like usually how you do all your streams and all that. Then you paste it maybe on a notepad. Then you come back to copy your stream key as well. So note, you would copy your stream address, which is your stream URL. You copy your stream URL, which is your stream address. Then you come back to copy your stream key. Yes. So when you copy your stream key, you probably would have to add it to your address. So, but don't forget to put a slash before you put the key, else you will be struggling in streaming. You will hit streaming and it will never stream. So after doing that, what I usually do is that to get it onto my phone, I will just copy it, go to Facebook or WhatsApp or something, then I will post it there. Yes, send it through as a private message and all that. Then I can go to my phone. Yes, I can go to my phone. Where transmission is, you will see that we have live streaming platforms there. You go there, you see RTP, and then you have options to stream resolution 1080p with 5 megabytes and stream resolution 720p with 3 megabytes. So what you do is that you select the one that you think your internet strength is good enough. Then you copy and paste your address in your key. You hit on done. Yes. Then because I have a lower bandwidth, I'm streaming in 720, 3 megabytes per second, which I think it's even too much for me at my location right now. So I will hit on start. Then there will be a countdown. Yes. So once it comes, you see a live symbol there. You click on that. We have sound, microphone, and exit button. Normally, if you want to run a commentary on it, then you probably have to mute your microphone. Yes, but if you are not doing such a thing, then you can leave it on if you want to run a commentary. So after that, you will come back to your desk, and then you wait for the feed here to show up. Yes, because my internet isn't that strong. Yes, so you can see the feed is now showing here. Yes, when you come to YouTube too, you can see that there is a live feed here. Yes, so mostly what I do is that because I'm a vMix person, what I do is that I copy the address here. I copy the address, come to vMix, then I go to inputs. On the browser side, I'll just paste the address of the live stream that I'm doing there, so that I can add it to my cameras that I have here. Yes. So always make sure that you don't take it on air. There's an option to add. Always make sure that you don't take it on air, but then you put it on full. It has been updated. Please check it on the map. Full view. Yes. Then you push it on. So I mean, mainly this is how I try to bring my feed onto vMix. Yes. So I mean, if you have the fundamentals, I'm sure you would definitely understand. So that is how simple I can show you. So if you are finding ways to stream your Marvic drone live on YouTube, or get your Marvic feed into your YouTube or your vMix software, this is the best way to go about it. My name is DJ Parker Rich. If you find this tutorial interesting, I mean, this is my first time doing that, so pardon me if I made some mistakes in the presentation, but subscribe to this channel. I'm going to bring you more updated information about Marvic drone and how to stream live. Thank you for watching.